Okay, good morning guys. Welcome to another episode from Creative Rods. This morning we're taking a pit stop before we head to the shop by TBR. Thunder Bunny Racing. We've got the 70 Chevelle, 170 Chevelle. Tyler's bringing it over here to get an alignment done. We're going to drop it off. Maybe take a quick tour around the shop. Tyler's never seen it before. And then we'll head over to the shop and get an update of what's going on over there. So stay tuned, come along with us, enjoy the episode. Just pull right here. We're going to have to take it around back in a second. Oh yeah. Looks and sounds good. How'd it do on the way over?
It runs good.
Yeah?
Charles could probably go back in the transmission since we put that new torque converter in there.
Yeah.
But other than that, it rides good.
Well, I think we're going to take it back up there and do another dyno to get real numbers on it and stuff. So yeah, we can have him look at that. Does it have more with the spring and the new torque? It's got power now.
It's not the Camaro, but it's got plenty. Juan drove it yesterday.
Oh, did he?
Was happy with it.
Oh, good.
He come by the shop and Rusty took him for a ride. And Rusty, one was like, "Man, you ain't gonna let me drive it." And, Rusty was like, "Y'all don't have a good track record of test drive, taking vehicles."
Yeah.
So Rusty drove it for a little bit, and then when they come back, Juan was driving it. So
he have a smile on his face.
He don't show emotion.
Yeah.
But Rusty said he had a grin on his face when Rusty got on it.
Yeah. How's it going? Oh, these are older race cars here. Oh, let's see. No, that's not. Here's one that they race in a WRL. Another one. I don't know where the main car is. It's another Supra like this. Hey, how's it going? Yeah, they're getting some new racks, so they store a lot of cars and stuff.
2 lift.
Yeah. Where's the main Thunder Bunny car?
The main Thunder Bunny car, it's on the dyno in the back.
Ah, okay.
Yep.
So here's their alignment. Oh, come on now. So yeah, they have, you were asking me about scales?
Yeah.
They have them, they said on they're on the alignment rack here.
See, we were talking about making ramps like that for ours.
Yeah.
Because we had to put a 2x4 under the end of our yellow ramp to get the Chevelle up on it.
Which one's that on?
The lifts at the shop.
Oh, you're talking, the 4 posts. Yeah.
We need to make some extensions like that.
All right. Okay. There's the dyno.
Yeah.
That's the one Laura and 2 other guys drive. So this is the shop car, and the others are owned by other people, but they race with Thunder Bunny.
Yeah.
So they got some racks in here, I think. Or maybe I've never seen this before. For all the tires. Bunch of money sitting there. So if we ever just wanted to dyno a car, we could probably come here. If no tuning or whatever. I mean, I know they do tune, but I don't know if they, like on the old school stuff, if they know what.
Tuning's a little different than ours.
Yeah. Look at that heat wrap still burning off. I don't know if y'all guys can see the smoke, but that's what it is.
I won't back it in, but I'll just pull it in.
Just pull it in. And it smells. Heat wrap. Fix it, but What you got going on there? Some tail light lenses?
Yeah, we playing around with a few things. Tell
Tyler said it looked good. Oh, so that's the old year. Okay.
Yeah, that's the old one. We're gonna cut that center part out. And it'll be something.
So what is that made out of?
It's like sand.
Okay. Do you have to put layers on there, or is it normally that thick? Okay, I see.
Well, it just depends on what you put behind it.
Yeah.
How it looks.
Yeah. Oh, I see. Yeah. So you can put multiple layers in there.
And it gives it different depths.
All right. This truck giving y'all a pain in the butt, ain't it?
Yes.
So y'all saw the red wheels painted on the last episode. What do you think? We got to do red pinstripe eventually. And I'm not sure if we're doing any other red on it. We mentioned in the last episode or so that part of the grill, but I think the carburetor and stuff's giving them a hard time on this one running. Let's see if Travis still has his haircut going on.
Wow, how much bigger do I look?
You bowed up like
I didn't bow up.
Huh?
That's my natural stance now.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Raise your arm.
I can't.
Are you just that
I
sore or
don't
that
pop
big?
I don't want to pop the thread. See what happens when I raise my arm, how my shirt gets real tight.
Let's see. Look at that. Them lats and everything. So, people on the internet wanted to know how old your workout partner was there at the Y.
Which one?
I don't know. You got more than one?
I got more than one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Silver sneakers.
Well, she got silver hair.
Ah.
I'm gonna guess she's in her mid 80s.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's my coach.
Hey, is that the one when you went to the leg press and she had more weight on it than you did?
You have to bring it up.
Alright guys, we're heading into the assembly shop. We're gonna see if... Look, he's got the door locked. He must be sleeping in here.
Hey.
Hey, you listening to your sermon?
I am.
Are you polishing or are you still sanding?
I'm still sanding, man. I'm
You
sanding
the sand man?
2,000 grit. I can crack a safe.
So, okay, now after the 2,000 grit, you go to the
DA, yeah, the DA.
So it's
the rest
okay.
of it's really quick.
Yeah.
So I'm just trying to flatten out stuff that's like real ripply, which there's nothing but this door
Yeah.
left for that.
So where? So is this the last part right here?
Well, this and the lower
Right.
rockers. The
Yeah.
rockers I gotta do, which is like probably Monday.
Yeah.
Monday, get that done, and then I can DA. That goes pretty quick.
How's that go again?
Real quick.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then buff.
Buff. Hey,
Well, I think
I'm seeing these headlight covers over here, and they look pretty good.
Yeah, I thought he was gonna paint all of it black, even the green part,
Yeah.
because the grill's black. I think. I mean, it's covered up right now.
See, I thought he was gonna paint the plastic piece, and maybe I was wrong. You can't see it now, but yeah.
Major. You see how that's black?
Yeah.
I thought.
See,
he was
I thought
gonna
he was
paint the
painting.
whole thing.
I may have missed. I thought he was painting this or something, but that goes over that, right?
Yeah.
That'll
So-
look good. That'll look
Yeah,
good.
it'll look good.
Yeah.
I thought maybe he's gonna paint the whole thing because of that's black.
Yeah.
Like it would be all black in here, and
Yeah.
then green on the outside
Yeah.
and inside.
I think he just wanted that one spot to be gloss, so it matches up with the.
that spot.
Yeah, just a added little piece there. After paint, we wet sand. You start with what?
2,000.
You start with 2,000 all over the car.
Yeah.
Then you go to 3,000, 5,000.
There is no more 5,000.
Oh, it goes straight to 8,000. So that's about a 2.5 week process, somewhere around there. But once he gets that done, then he's got to polish it all out and it'll come back shiny and beautiful again. But 2 to 3 week process to make it. You gets any potential trash or any little bubbles or anything like that or any of those spots out of it, and makes it. Or if there's what do you call it?
Like a sag or dirt.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, well, orange peel.
Orange peel. That's what word I was looking for. Yeah.
The orange peel is coming out.
Yeah.
As we speak, and then we're flattening the clear because it looks more like cellulite, really.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because
Yeah.
and then we're trying to take that out, and then. As long
I think
as
it's harder to see that. You may see it, but it's harder to see it on cars like this versus a dark. You can see the orange peel a lot more on a darker car.
Right.
To me.
Yeah.
Versus a lighter car.
But as soon as you see it, you can't unsee it.
Yeah.
Is the problem, and then now your eyes are looking for it.
Yeah. What did you just say?
I'm tired. I've been working out all morning.
He could get a lazy boy, like a single.
Who's coming in a little? We close it in like an hour and 45 minutes.
I'm gonna be here late. I'm waiting on my arrival.
What?
My couch.
Do what?
My couch. Couch. You know what a couch is?
Yeah, we used to have one years ago.
Yeah, I know. Well, we're getting a new one today.
Why?
They'll be here after a while.
Tristan.
Hell, she bought it.
We're gonna have to talk about this. Tristan.
Yes.
Did you buy him a couch?
No.
He said. He said he's getting a couch today.
Where's he gonna put that couch?
Yeah. She said she called that order off. She just didn't tell you about it.
What you don't know is she called off that one order, but I placed 2, so because I knew she was gonna do that crap. So the other one's still coming.
Where you gonna put it?
Well, it's on rollers.
Oh, so you can roll it around the
Yes.
shop.
Yep. Wherever I feel like kicking back. Well, it's hard work getting up at 6 o'clock working out with Grandma every morning. So I'll have to recharge after.
What do you think about this working out stuff he's doing with them silver sneakers up there?
It makes them look good.
Yeah.
Oh, see there? It's working on her too. Yeah.
Hey, stand up for a second and give us one of them.
Look. See?
Thank you for watching this week's episode of Shop Walk. If you're enjoying these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll see you next Friday at 7 p.m.